Hello guys, look what I've got. Package from the L Marshall 32, aka Destructo, Constructo, Marshall. And got it today, so I went out to my shop for an epic unboxing, of course, courtesy of L Marshall. And let's get on it. Stay tuned. So, it's opened, and I'm gonna break it open for you guys. First off, Rusty Rags Ultimate Knife Gear Kit. Thank you so much. And some snowman poop. And the main prize, the Kershaw trimmer with some more snowman poop. Man, it's let's make it a bit more Christmassy. There you go. And here's some of the cards. So camera don't want to play ball with me. So stay. This is it. Kershaw trimmer. Ooh, nice one. So, thank you very much for an awesome contest, and I want to thank Blade Ops as well for the enabling of the contest, and of course Mr. Marshall and Rusty Rags. Awesome contest, brother, and now I'm gonna go and play with my knife. See you, bye.